Yes, take out your homework sheets. I am also opening the homework what I gave. This was the Abhyasaha 30 from RSS book. Okay, so the first question it was, first there are some shapes given. They say Graham 1, Graham 2. I would say boxes 1, box 2, box 3, like this. So first was Eshaha and Saha. So pair or means what are you can pair with Eshaha, and there are 42 Namapadani given there. Namathva Sarvanamapadani, Sarvanamapadani Eshaha Saha, and you have to pair with Namapadam. So who has done, shall I call the name? Sita Mahoday Bhavati Kritavati va?
आम महोदय.
Ha, vadatu. Like I would show you that the first Eshaha Saha will go with Chalakaha, Asandaha, Kakaha,
कोकिलः,
and
आकाशः.
Uttamam, Uttamam. So this is for the box number 1.
One.
Okay. Yeah. I now ask Haripriya Mahoday, Bhavati Kritavati homework.
Mahoday.
Griham. Ha. Griham 2 is Etau and Tau.
Tau. For that, Chatrau, Ashvau, Vanarau, Vrikshau, and Adhyapakau.
Uttamam, Uttamam. So box number 3, Te and Ete. Now I ask Dhruva Mahoday, Bhavati Kritavati.
Na Mahoday, aham na Kritavati. Kritavaha. What is it?
Kritavati. Aham na Kritavati. It's okay.
Na Kritavati? Okay.
So the box number 3 is about Ete and Te. Te, Ete. So what we can pair with in this list, from this list, Gajaha. Everyone should please compare. Gajaha, Shurpaha, Balakaha, Bhallukaha, Mayuraha. Okay. Okay, now Ishwaran Mahoday, Bhavan.
Sorry, I didn't do. No, I didn't do.
Acha.
Which class
Okay,
is it?
now yeah.
Which class?
19th.
So I didn't do it.
Acha.
Sorry, I didn't do it.
Try to do it, Mahoday.
I'll do.
Chinta nasti. Idanim chinta nasti. Anybody else has done box number 4? Sa Isha? Who has done?
Mahoday.
Vishwanath ji, kariye.
Mala. Aja.
Yes.
Yeah, I could only find 2.
See.
Patrika. Makshika.
Yes.
Patrika. And
yes. You are missing one only. Kartari.
Kartari, yeah, correct.
Serial number 18. Kartari. Okay.
Yeah,
now, yeah.
Kartari will be pulling dvivachane.
No.
So, right?
Kartari is scissors. That is Strilinge.
But
Kartari, Kartaryo, Kartaryaha. Kartari. Okay. So box number 5. Whom shall I call? Shubhangi? Mahoday Kritavati va? Homework Kritavati Mahoday?
Mahoday, would you give the page number? I have the book online.
72.
Homework number?
Homework number 19 and Abhyas homework number 19 and page number 72.
Thank you.
So now this is box number 5, te and ete.
प्रजाः
Te, sa, te, taah.
okay.
This is Strilinga Shabdah,
okay,
Dvivachane,
अध्-
sa and
अध्या-
isha.
अध्यापिके
Hmm,
कलिके
hmm. Yeah.
is simhasane, will it come? That is
No. See, Strilinga Padam Asti, Isha ete etaah, athva sa te taah, Dvivachane asti, ataha nadyau will come, lekhanyau will also come,
for like
adhyapika, adhyapike also come, kalika, then kalike dvivachane asti, that also will come, patrika, then patrike dvivachane asti, patrike will also come here. Okay, so box number 6, etaah athva taah. Now you should with this homework comes your memory testing also. Taah, where you will go? Sa te taah. So Strilinga Bahuvachanam. Sa te taah athva isha ete etaah. So box number 6 is Strilinga Bahuvachanam. So okay, I read and then you people share. Anyone wants to come forward and say about the homework? Come forward.
I will do it, Mahavid.
Karo tu.
Box number 6.
Yeah.
We have Malaah,
Hmm.
Kalikaah, Lataah,
Hmm.
Bhikshukyah,
Uttamam.
Chalanyah.
Uttamam. Uttamam.
Box,
Yeah. Box
box
number
number 7.
This is tat etat.
We have Netram,
Tat.
Chatram,
One second, please. Tat etat. Attention, please, everybody. Tat etat means tat te tani. Napunsakalinge. Etat ete etani. So we are dealing with Napunsakalinga. Astu. Karotu Mahoday.
So we have Netram, Chatram, Rupya, Chatram, sorry, Chatram, Rupyakem, Rupyakam, Patram, Nakshatram.
Uttamam. Anybody else wants to try? Box number 8.
Can I try, Mahoday?
Karo tu.
It's ete or te. So it's kamale. It's vimane, simhasane, udyane, and then gruhe.
Uttamam. So last box, who wants to try?
Ma'am, can I try?
Karo tu, Bhavan, karo tu.
It's
It is about tani and etani. So it
Tani,
means
Napumsakling
you are
Bahuvachan.
dealing. Yeah, Uttamam, Mahoday. Karo tu.
Dwarani, Pushpani, Patrani, Parnani. That's all.
Halani.
Halani.
Halani is also there. Uttamam. So this way, small things, you have to remember ki when it is given ete or te. So what is it? Is it sa te taah, Strilinga Dvivachanam is there, or saha tau te, Bahuvachanam Pullinga is there. So there you have to pay little attention, because that mistake will make everything wrong. If it is asked Dvivachanam, you are writing te bahuvachane, so things will be wrong, marked wrong. So you have to be very careful. Now, if I ask, go pullinga tad shabdah, can anyone tell me what is it? Tad shabdah, pullinga shabdah.
सः तौ ते
And etad shabdah,
एषः एतौ एते
एषः सः तौ ते एषः एतौ एते. Now I ask स्त्रीलिंग शब्दः, कः
सः
कर्तुम् इच्छति, कः कर्तुम् इच्छति? धन्यवादः महोदय. कः अथवा का कर्तुम् इच्छति? हरिप्रिया महोदय, भवती करोति वा?
आं महोदय. सा ते ताः, एषा
And
एते एताः.
उत्तमम् उत्तमम्. And I call श्यामला महोदय, भवती नपुंसकलिङ्गे वक्तुम् इच्छति वा? कर्तुं शक्यते वा?
महोदय. तत् ते
करोतु.
तानि पुस्तकं पुस्तके पुस्तकानि.
एतद् शब्दे एतद् शब्द किं भवति?
नपुंसकलिङ्गे
तत् ते
शब्दः.
हा,
तत् ते
तत् ते
तानि
तानि. एतत् शब्दे एतत्
पुस्तकं
एते
एतत् एते
या,
एतानि.
एतानि. Okay, so
महोदय.
now this is clear. Sahatau te and everything is clear. And here I go to the slide. This one. So this is pathati, pathatah, pathanti. If I say two boys reading, can anybody tell me?
बालिकौ पठतः
Balakau
पुस्तकौ
पठतः.
pathatah. That is correct. And I am now talking about Sita Mahoday and Dhruva Mahoday. You two are reading. Now you tell me, Sita Mahoday.
बालिकाः
No, you two.
युवां that becomes the third person now, Uttama Purusha.
Oh, not Madhyama Purusha. You two.
Madhyama Purusha, it is Yuvam Pathatah.
Uttamam. Uttamam. And if I say, Dhruva Mahoday, if I say girls are playing, how would you say?
So क्रीडन्ति, बालिकाः क्रीडन्ति.
Uttamam. Balikaah kridanti. And two girls are playing, then
So बालिके क्रीडतः.
Balike kridatah. Balika, balike, balikaah, dvivachane, balike. So pathatah will pair with that. Okay,
Right.
no other kriya vachanam. Only pathatah will go with balike. Astu. Now I call Haripriya Mahoday.
आं महोदय.
If all of you, I say, you, all of you go, then
Is it यूयं गच्छथ?
यूयं गच्छथ. उत्तमम् उत्तमम्. Ishwaran Mahoday.
Yeah.
If I say you are writing, then how would you translate?
From
Likh dhatu. I give you a clue. Likh dhatu.
From likhati.
From
Likhati.
here. Likh is likhati.
Likhasi. Okay. Likhasi.
Tvam likhasi. Now it's clear. Now I say you all are writing. How would you say, Mahoday? You all are writing.
Uyam
Hmm.
likhatha.
Likhatha. Uttamam. Good thing, Mahoday. Very good. Okay. Now, Shubhangi Mahoday, I say that, okay, why not open here? I give you, so many girls are dancing. How would you say? Many girls are dancing.
बालिकाः नृत्यन्ति
And if you have to say, two of you are dancing.
आवां नृत्यावः
Two of you means Madhyama
Okay.
Purushe.
Okay, मध्यमपुरुष okay. युवां नृत्यतः
Nritya,
तः
tha, Mahaprana, tha. Yuvam, Nritya,
नृत्यतः
tamam. And whom shall I ask once more? Dhruva Mahoday.
Mahoday.
Do I have to show you the table or you can do it here?
I can try.
Achha, okay. So you all are throwing.
Yuyam kshipatha.
Chipatha. Chipatha. Yes,
Ah.
that's right. Not tha. I'm sorry. Okay.
Mahoday,
You. Vadatu
Mahoday,
Mahoday.
I have a doubt. So
Hmm.
two girls are dancing. How is it Madhyam Purush?
That's why I gave you the clue. It's not two girls. Two girls means तो बालिके हो गया, है ना? It is balike now. Two girls means two of you.
Okay.
How can I express myself?
Two of the group that we are talking to.
Yes. Two of you, two girls are dancing. So, Yuvam, Nityatha.
But it
Okay.
becomes confusing, right? We don't know that
Yeah.
it can be some
Yes.
other person. Okay.
Yeah, that's right. I agree that. I agree. Okay. So, means you two. If I say you two, then you go for the Madhyam Purusha. Okay. So it's Dhruva Mahodaya's avasaraha.
Yeah, you have to ask one more, I think.
Yeah, one more. Means you two are running.
Yuvam dhavatah.
Yuvam dhavatah. So if I ask Sita Mahoday, Krishna, one farmer is there, he is plowing.
I don't know what plowing is called in Sanskrit.
Karshati, here.
One farmer, Krishakaha, Karshat.
Here it is. See, my cursor is here. Last but one.
Krishakaha Karshati.
Krishakaha Karshati. And if I say you two, you two are plowing.
Yuvam Karshataha.
Karshataha. you have to say tha, tha.
थ
And if you
हर्षथः
if you by mistake say tah, then it goes to the prathama purusha. Karshati, karshatah. You have to say very clearly tha. Okay. So this was the exercise. I think little here and there jumbled, but we did the exercise and we completed the homework. Most probably October onwards, some grader will come and your homework will be properly graded. This arrangement I have made with the help of our seniors, so that we can discuss the homework. Unless the homework is corrected and graded now, you also do not know what mistake we made, and I also do not know how you all are doing. Okay, so most probably this arrangement will be made and it will be good for all of us. Okay, and I wanted to say that once 1 second, recording stop karun. No, we have to say the Mangala Shloka, then we will stop the recording and we will talk. Astu, atra मङ्गलश्लोकः अस्ति सीता महोदय भवती कृतवती वा प्रार्थना अद्य करो करो
ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्तिः 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 हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ तत्सत्
धन्यवादः महोदय धन्यवादः एकक्षणं रेकार्डिङ्ग् स्थगयामि